Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use and create tasks in HubSpot. Tasks are essential for keeping your team organized and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks when managing customer relationships and sales activities. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the tools available to you. Now look at the left navigation bar and click on the CRM tab. This is your central hub for managing all customer-related activities. Once you click it, the menu will expand to show you several options for different CRM functions. From this expanded menu, select Tasks. This will take you to your task management area where you can view all existing tasks and create new ones. Here, you'll see an overview of everything that needs attention across your team. To create a new task, click the button labeled Create Task or New Task, depending on how your interface is set up. This opens the task creation panel where you'll input all the relevant details. In the panel that appears, start by entering your task title in the title field. Make this descriptive so anyone viewing it immediately understands what needs to be done. Next, click the due date field and select when this task needs to be completed. Setting clear deadlines ensures accountability and helps prioritize work effectively. If your version includes it, click the due time field to set a specific time for the task. This is particularly useful for time-sensitive activities like client calls or follow-ups. Then click the Assign to field and choose which team member should own this task. Assigning ownership makes it clear who's responsible for completion. Click the Priority field and select a priority level, whether it's low, medium, or high. This helps your team focus on what matters most when they're juggling multiple responsibilities. Now click Associate with Records to link this task to a specific record in your CRM. Choose the record type, whether it's a contact, company, deal, or ticket, then search for and select the exact record. This connection ensures the task appears in context when you're viewing that customer or deal. If you need to provide additional context, type any relevant information in the notes area. This might include background details, specific instructions, or links to related resources. Finally, click Create Task or Save to finalize everything. Your task is now created and will appear in the assignee's task list, keeping everyone aligned on what needs to happen next. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.